the Wild Angels channel. We're just 3 girls that want to learn how to ride motorcycles. We're still on the pit bikes, but we're having a good time and we're getting a little seat time in. Those little bikes are a lot of fun to ride, and I can see why the kids all want to have one. Luann does have a little bit of surprise for you in this video, so stay tuned for that one. We've been doing a little practicing. We had a little seat time, but practice has more or less turned into more or less pit bike shenanigans. A little silliness going on. We're getting a little comfortable being on that little bike, and we're having a good time. So that's pretty much what we're looking for, just going out and having a good time. We're preparing for our safety course that we're going to be taking in a couple of weeks. So that ought to be interesting, and we're looking forward to that one. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll have another surprise. While us girls are doing our pit bike shenanigans, the boys are getting ready for a big weekend. So we'll let you in on that one. I'll give you a little hint. They have 4 wheels and a lot more horsepower. So stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll find out what that's all about. So we're going to get to the video. I hope you enjoy it. See you later. For ya.
I don't have one.
Jet the net. Jet the net the jet.
No,
net the jet.
Her, no.
Net the jet.
Net the jet rider.
Here she goes.
Where's the shift? You forgot to shift. Head up, head up, head up.
Winter, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to your bike. Winter's going to say, what the hell did I do to my bike?
Where the brake is. Net the jet.
Net the jet, Heinley. Do your figure.
Here she comes. Linda Lou tearing up the pavement. Second. Staying in second. She's going to make her comb turn. Head up. Good transition. Come on, Linda, head up. Woohoo! feature. Safety is an important feature. Where's my glove?
That's what I'm saying! I said, throw the ball to who?
Naturally.
You ask me.
You throw the ball to who?
Naturally. Same as you!
Say it that
I
way.
throw the ball to naturally.
You don't. You throw it to who?
Now, who's got it? Naturally, that's what I said. Whoever it is better get it. That's all I can tell you.
Surprise, surprise!
That's right, Timmy Hiley and the boys are getting the 1H all tuned up for the race on Sunday at the Orange County Fair Speedway. So that should be good. We're looking forward to this season of racing. Hopefully Timmy will be out there quite a few times and we'll get to see some good action. He's always a good one to watch to get up to the front, and the boys work real hard to make sure he's got the equipment he needs to get there. So it should be interesting. Bring you some clips and we'll let you know how it goes. See you later.